Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update software and generally check for updates on Black Shark Pad 7. So first of all we have to check the internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi router, and if you are, go to settings. We can go to settings by swiping down the control center and tapping the gear icon at the bottom. Then scroll down to system, open the system menu, and in here scroll down to system updates. Let your device check for updates, and if it finds one, download and install the most recent system version. It will take a while until the update gets downloaded and installed, and after that you're gonna have to restart your tablet to apply changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.